prepared by our quality students.
Any department number.
They show their talent and ability and skills and capabilities by showing this kind of abilities will generate कैसा थे कैसे सामने लो एग्जीबिशन में वो तब इनोवेशन में नोटिफाई होते बहुत बार था तो को विजिट करने के लिए आज तो पेरेंट्स सोलो हो गए
প্রথম ভাই দিয়ে আমরা
Hindi by the Sanai calendar of 2020. Okay. And this is made from and this one is the pollution, the water pollution.
polluted water.
Result কেমন ভালো?
মোটামুটি আছে।
So this is the use of plastic bottle, which we can use again.
Health. Mouse trap.
Okay.
Good idea.
Thank you, sir. This is the material, sir, which volcano is starting, sir. Which we are going to see that volcano. So this is the project of us.
Volcanic eruption, no?
Yes, sir. This is sir tower, which we are training sir photocopy. So this one, sir. This was done by 7D, sir. The name is written, sir. This one is sir global warming, and this is art day and night, which we can see night and day. This is done by class 9C, sir. So this is one is biodiversity, sir. This is our forest. This is our home. This is
now I request all our parents
and this is
and all invited
water harvesting, sir.
to come and help the assembly hall.
And this one is a calendar for 2020, sir.
हिंदी बोल सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
हाँ? हिंदी सीखते हैं इधर?
हाँ सर बोल सकते हैं.
एकदम फ्लुएंटली?
हाँ सर.
लिख भी सकते हैं?
हाँ सर.
लिखते भी हैं?
हाँ सर.
बहुत अच्छे तो आप लोग सब हिंदी सीखते हैं इधर?
इंग्लिश
What is your name? Where is your house? राम पद बाबू